Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is our class 5 maths class and your maths teacher Mrs. Farah Nasir, and this is our 15th meeting. Today our topic is the HCF of the larger number, and on page 59 there is only one question and 5 parts are there of this question. All parts are included. Question is find the HCF and LCM of the numbers 132 and 220. 132, the fact after dividing it 2, we get 66. Then divide by 233, then 3 and 11. The factors of 132 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Now the turn of 220. After dividing 220 with 2, 110. Then divide by 255. 55 is not divisible by 2, so we divide it by 5. 11 is there. The factors of 220 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Now we select the common numbers for the HCF. 2 multiplied by 2 and 11. 2 2's and 1 11 is common in these two numbers. So HCF will become 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11, which is 44. For the LCM, the formula is HCF multiply all other factors. We write instead of HCF 44 and the remaining numbers, 3 is left in 132, which is uncommon, and 5 is left in 220, which is also uncommon. So all other factors, instead of this, we write 3 multiplied by 5. And after the multiplication, the LCM becomes 660. I told you in the previous that when you are finding the HCF and LCM both in one question, it is necessary that you calculate HCF first, because in the LCM the formula is HCF multiply all other factors. So if we calculate HCF first, it will be easy to find the LCM of the given factors, given numbers. The B part of this question is 180 and 252. Same division method. We divide 180 with 2. 90 is a quotient. After dividing 90 with 2, 45 is a quotient. And 45 is divisible by 5. 9 is there. 3 is there. After dividing 9, we get 3. The factors of 182 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Same 252 by division method, dividing it by 2, 126. Again dividing by 2, 63. Then with 3, 21. And at the end, 7 is the quotient of 21. The factors of 252 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. The HCF is 36. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. For the LCM, formula is HCF multiply all the other factors. We check in 180 and 252 that which two numbers are uncommon. In 180, 5 is uncommon, and in 252, 7 is uncommon. HCF multiply all the other factors, putting the values over there. 36 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. The LCM is 1260. The HCF of these two numbers is 36, and the LCM of 180 and 252 is 1260. Come to the part C, 120 and 168. 120, we start division with 2, 60 is a quotient. Then again dividing by 2, 30 is a quotient. Then again divided by 5, 6 is a quotient, and at the end 3 is left. 168 divisible by 2, 84 again divisible by 2, 42 again divisible by 2, 21. Now 21 is not divisible by 2. It means that we see that which number 21 is divisible by which number? 3 and 7 both. It's up to you if you start with 3 or 7. So the factors of 168 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. The HCF is the common numbers are in both 120 and 168, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2 and 3. 3 twos and 1 3 is there. HCF is 24. HCF is 24. Now is the turn of LCM. HCF multiply by all other factors. Check the remaining factors. In 120, 5 is left, and in 168, 7 is left there. HCF is 24 and the other factors are 5 multiplied by 7. After the multiplication, 840 is the LCM of 120 and 168. HCF is 24 and LCM is 840. Part D. Now there are three numbers 175, 300 and 425. 175 at the ones place 5 is there, so we start division with 5. 35 is a quotient, then again take division with 5. 7 is left there. Now is the turn of 300, so we also can divide 300 with 2 or with 3 or with 5. 300 is divisible by these three numbers 2, 5 and 3, the prime numbers. Start division with 5. 60 is there, again with 5. 12 is there, divided by 2. 6 is there, and at the end 3 is left. 3 is the quotient of 6. Now 425, definitely we start division with 5. 85, then 5 and 17. Now the factors of 175 are 5 into 5 into 7, then 300, 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 425, 5 into 5 into 17. The HCF is 5 and 5, highlighted number. 5 into 5 is 25. And the LCM is HCF multiplied by all other factors. HCF is 25. Check in 175. Uncommon is 7. In 300, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 are uncommon. And in 425, only 17 is uncommon. After putting the values, writing the numbers, get the product of these numbers, the LCM becomes 35700. The HCF of these three numbers 175, 300 and 425 is 25, and the LCM is 35700. Now is the turn of part E, the last part of this question and also the last part of this page. 70, 147 and 98. First we find the factors of 70, which are 2, 5 and 7. The factors of 147 are 7, 7, 3. The factors of 98 are 2, 7, 7. Now HCF is only 7 is common all these three numbers, so we write there HCF. Dear students, you must be careful when you are finding the LCM of three numbers. You see that some numbers are common, some factors are common in only two numbers. Like 7 is common in 70 and 147, and 2 is common 70 and 98. So when we are finding the LCM of such type of numbers, we only write that common numbers which are common in 2 only once time. 70, I told you that in 70 and 98, 2 is common. So we write 2 only once. You cannot write 2 multiplied by 2 in the uncommon factors, because when we are finding the LCM of these three numbers, any three numbers, then two factors, any two prime factors which are common in two numbers, we write them only once in the LCM. Same you see, 7 is common in 70 and 147. Sorry, 147 and 98. So we write 7 only once when we are finding the LCM. LCM is equal to HCF multiply all the other factors. HCF is already 7 and all the other factors. 2 is common in 2, 70 and 198. So we write 2 1 at once. Then 5 is uncommon is 70. Then again 3 is uncommon in 147, and you see that 7 is common in 147 and 98. So we write 7 only one time. So after the product, we see that the LCM is 1470. Now the HCF of these numbers are 7 and LCM is 1470. We have page number 61. After 59, we have page number 61 in our scheme. This page, 4 questions are there, and all the questions and all the parts are included in our scheme. Let's start from question 1. Using the division method, find the LCM of these pairs. 42 and 126. Division method is mentioned there. So we find the prime factor of 42 by division method. Factors of 42 are 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. And same for the 126. The prime factors are 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. LCM is, now which two numbers are common in 42 and 126? 2 and 3. So we write them only once. Then uncommon number is only 3 because 7 is also common. 2, 7 and 3, these three numbers are common in 42 and 126. Only in 126, 3 is uncommon. So after finding the product of these all numbers, 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, the LCM is 126. This is the LCM of 42 and 126 by division method. Part B, 20 and 56. We are finding the LCM of only these two numbers, 20 and 56. Again, we use a division method. The LCM of 20 is 2, 2 and 5. And the LCM of 56, the prime factors 2, 2, 2 and 7. The prime factors of 20 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. And the prime factors of 56 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now only two 2's are common in 20 and 56. The LCM is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. After finding the product of all these numbers, the LCM becomes 280. The LCM of 20 and 56 by division method of these two numbers is 280. In this question, only two parts are there, A and B. Now come to the second part, second question. Here the already prime factors are given. We are finding the LCM of each number. Already factors are given to us. Only we calculate the LCM of these given prime factors. The first is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and the other prime factors are 2 multiplied by 7. Only 1, 2 is common there, and 2, 3 are uncommon in the first prime factors, and 7 is common in the other prime factors. So the LCM will become 84, because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. After calculating them, we get the LCM is 84. This is the LCM of the given prime factors. Part B, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. All these prime factors are already given in the question. Only we calculate the LCM over there. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In these two given prime factors, 2 2's are common. 1 2 is uncommon in the first prime factor, and 3 is uncommon in the other set of the common factors. LCM becomes 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 24. LCM of these set of prime factors is 24. Part C. First set of prime factor 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, and the other set is 5 multiplied by 5. 5 is common, which is highlighted. 2 into 2 is uncommon in the first set, and 5 is uncommon in the other set. So the LCM is 100. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 100 is the LCM of the given sets of prime factors. Question number 3. In question number 3, we will use the numbers, the parts of question 2 A, B, C, and we calculate these prime factors. We convert these prime factors into the number. It means that in question 3, we will calculate that these prime factors are the factors of which number. After the multiplication, we convert these prime factor into the whole number. In part A, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. After multiplying these, 2 2's are 4 and 4 3's are 12. It means that 12 is the number, the whole number of these prime factors. Same, the second set is 2 multiplied by 7. 2 7's are 14, and 14 is the whole number. 2 and 7 are the prime factors of 14. Same part B, 3 2's are given there. After finding the product of these 3 2's, 8 is there. It means that the first set are the prime factors of 8. Come to the second set, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. After the multiplication, 12 is there. It means that the second set of prime factors, after the multiplication, they become 12. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 are the prime factors of 12. Part C, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. We check that this set is the prime factors of which number. After the multiplication, we see that this is 20. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 are the prime factors of 20. The turn of the second set, 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25. So 5 multiplied by 5 are the prime factors of 25, which is the whole number. In question 4, students, you see that there are H parts. Numbers are given to you, and also the LCM are mentioned on the second column. First, we calculate the LCM of these numbers, and then we join the required answer. Already LCM is given. You will calculate the LCM of these number in the rough column and you check that the LCM of which number meets to the which part. Suppose the first number is given, the first part is given 16 and 12. So we check 16 and 12, and after finding the LCM we see that where the answer of these two number lies. We match the column with each other. I am doing the rough work for you already. 16 and 22. You will convert them into the prime factor and you find the LCM of this. The LCM of 16 and 22. Now keep it in your 16 and 12. Now keep it in your mind all the LCM that I'm finding here, because when we are joining the numbers only, we join the part with the required prime factors. The LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. Then the LCM of 27 and 45 is 135. The LCM of 36 and 24 is 72. The LCM of 55 and 66 is 330. The LCM of 40 and 32 is 160. The LCM of 15 and 125 is 375. The LCM of 40, the LCM of 70 and 98 is 490. And the LCM of 30 and 40 is 120. I already done all the rough work for you. Broke all these numbers in the prime factors and then I calculate the LCM for you. You also find all the LCM in the rough column and then rough work, and then you will match the column. Already numbers are given to you and also the LCM is given to you. Now you see on the next slide, I write the LCM and I match the LCM with the required whole numbers. The first is 16 and 12. Do you remember what was the LCM of that number? 48. 27 and 45. The LCM of these two numbers was 135. The LCM of 36 and 24. 36 and 24 was 72. Then is a turn of 55 and 66. The LCM of these two numbers was 330. The LCM of 40 and 32 was 160. 15 and 125, after the calculation, the LCM becomes 375. 70 and 98, the LCM was 490. And 30 and 40, the LCM was 120. So I write the LCMs which are given in the question in one column and the numbers on the other column, and we match the LCM with the required pair of numbers. Yes, students, now we have next page 62. And here we finished the topic about the LCM and the HCF. There are three questions there on page 62, question 1, 2, and 3, and all the parts of these questions are included. But in question 2 and 3, there are Venn diagrams, and through the diagrams, we show that what is the LCM of the broken pair of numbers. Question number 1 is find the LCM of the sets. Now in all these three numbers are given and we will calculate the LCM of these numbers. 6, 9 and 15. Convert 6 into the prime factors, also 9 and also 15. 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. In the question, they didn't mention that draw the diagrams over here, but for your convenience, I draw the Venn diagram for you. It will be easy to understand you. You see that in the diagram and also in the numbers, only 1, 3 is common there. Only 1, 3 is common there. This 3 is common in between these two numbers. 6, 2 and 3, 3 and 3 and 3 and 15. Only 3 is common. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 and 33s are 90. Next is 10, 12 and 20. The factors of 10 are 2 multiplied by 5, 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 20, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 is common in all these 10, 12 and 20. And you see that I write here 2, this 2, which is common in all these numbers. And I told you before that when we are finding the LCM of three numbers or more than 3, we see that which number is common in all the numbers, and then if there are in two numbers are common in two whole numbers, two factors are common in two numbers, then we write at once. You see that 5 is common in 10 and 20, and also I highlight there 5. It means that in the LCM only we write 5 at once. Same with 2. 2 is common in 12 and 20. So when we are finding the LCM, we write 2 only once. You cannot write 2 two times. Only we write once, because in 12 and 20, 2 is common. Now 3 is left, which is uncommon in all these numbers. So the LCM becomes 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 15, which is 60. In the previous diagram, I write 3, 3 and 3 in the common numbers, but you can write 3 only once, because 3 is common. 3 was common in all these three numbers. So we will write only 3 one time. In part C, 12, 15 and 18, the factors of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 15 is 3 multiplied by 5, and 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now only 1, 3 is common. You see in the diagram and also in the solution. 3 is common in all these three, 12, 15 and 18. And 2 is common in 12 and 18. So I also mention in the diagram and also in the solution, I highlight 2 with the different color. In 12, 2 is uncommon. In 15, 5 is uncommon. And in 18, 3 is uncommon. And you see that in each circle, I write 2, 5 and 13. And I also mention the whole number outside the circle. Yes, now we multiply, find the LCM of this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. After the multiplication, we get 180. Now question number 2. In question number 1, it's up to you. If you want to draw the diagrams, you can, because in the question they didn't mention that find LCM by using Venn diagram. Only when convenience and draw there. And I also told you that in part A, you will write only 1, 3 in the diagram. No need to write 3 times 3 there. Yes, question number 2, using a coin, draw Venn diagram to show the prime factor, excuse me. In part A, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, prime factors are given, and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, two sets of prime factors are given. And you see that 2 is common and 5 is common, these two set of prime factors. I draw the Venn diagram for you. And in the common portion, you see that their two circles are coincide with each other. 2 and 5, I write in the common portion 2 and 5 because they two common numbers. 3 is left in the first set and 2 is left in the second set. So we write 2 in the other circle. The LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 because 5 and 2 they both are common. 2 5s are 10. 2 is left in the second part and 3 is left in the first part. So after the multiplication we get 60. You must write 2 in the other circle because I wish there. You will write in the other circle 2 because 2 is uncommon in the second set of the prime factors. Yes, in part B, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In the first set, 3 2's and 1 3 is there. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And in the second set, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. All the numbers 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, they are common. So when we draw the diagram, you see 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, we write in the common portion. 2 is left in the first set of the prime factors, so I write there 2. No number is left to write in the second set of the prime factors. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. After finding the product, the LCM of part B is 24. Only two parts are there in question 2. Come to question 3. Now there are 3 sets of prime factors and it has and also question 3 have 2 parts A and B. The first set is 2 multiplied by 2, the second is 2 multiplied by 3 and the third is 2 multiplied by 5. 2 is common in all these 3 sets and I mention here 2. You see that the common portion of all these 3 circles is 2 and 2 is left in the first, 3 is left in the second set and 5 is left in the third set of the prime factors. So I mentioned in the circle separately 2, 3 and 5 because they are not common there. The LCM will come 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. The LCM of these 3 set of prime factors is 60. Same part B, 3 sets are given there, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then 2 multiplied by 5, then 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And again there are 3 sets of prime factors and I told you if we have the if we are finding the LCM of 2, 3 or more than 3 numbers, what will we see? We see that the common number in all the numbers and if there are any number common in 2 factors. 2 is common in all these numbers, so you see that I write 2 is there in where the 3 circles have the common portion, and then 5 is common in the second set and in the third set of the prime factor. So I write 5 there where the second and the third, they both circles are common. I write there 5. 2 and 2 is left in the first. No number is left in the second set. 3 is left in the third set. So I write in the circle, in the first circle 2 and 2, in the second circle no number is uncommon, and in the third 3 is uncommon there. After the finding of the LCM of these 3 set of prime factors, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 120 is the answer of these 3 set of prime factors. We have finished this page over here and also we have completed the topic of HCF and LCM on this page till page 62. Thank you so very much students. I hope that inshallah we will meet soon. Allah Hafiz.